easy go.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Chaos Voltage and I'm doing another video on coding. I'm going to be coding in the Scythe this time, the Reaper pickaxe. It's perfect timing since the Skull Trooper's in the shop. I haven't posted a video in a while, but this should make up for it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to do is go into your locker. Now for this site, you're going to want the balloon axe. This is a season 5 battle pass exclusive pickaxe. If you don't have it, you can't really do this. Alright, so select this. As you can see, it's just a balloon axe, right? Whenever I press play, it's the normal balloon sound. But we're about to change that, alright? Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab. Now in the top of the description of this video, I'm going to have the download link to this. It's called the HXD editor. So you're going to have this one. I'm going to put both of these in the description, this one. And I'm also going to put the file. So this is the actual code. So when you download this, it's going to bring up this, or the actual code, alright? So for this one, if you're English, choose your language, whatever. I'm English, obviously, so I click that. Use cnetdownload.com, and I don't want to click it again because I already installed it. But you're gonna click it, you're gonna download it, and then you're gonna open it. All right. All right, and yeah, this is the same. So you're gonna download this, open it, and you're gonna have these two empty. All right. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna close that and just minimize all these tabs, alright? So for this, if you still have Fortnite open, you're going to want to close the window and you might as well close the launcher as well. So when you have the hex editor, open it up and you want to go to File, and then click Open. And you're going to want to go for, at the end, you're going to want to have pack chunk 0 dash windows client.pack. I showed how to get to this page in my last video, but I'll show it again. So you're gonna want to go to this PC. You're gonna want to go to local disk. You're gonna want to go to program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, content, packs, and then when you scroll down just a little bit, you're gonna find pack chunk 0 dash windows client.pack. Has to be this one or else it will not work. And to make sure, I should say pack file right here. Alright, open that. Now you're gonna see a lot of code, and just like my other video, don't worry, this is all, it's not really important. We're gonna minimize all of this. So once you open that, you want to bring up your Scythe code notepad. Alright, so let me just, that I guess, who cares really. Alright, so what you're gonna do on your HXD editor, you're gonna press Control R. Control R, it's called replace basically. So you're gonna you have to put the search direction on all. Data type right here, very important. Hex values. For the Galaxy skin, we did text string, but for the Scythe we need to do hex values, right? Okay, and now we have to fill in the search for and the replace with sections, right? So all of this, it's whatever. Oops, I shouldn't. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're going to go here to our site code that you should probably have downloaded. You're gonna take the first one right here. Go swipe across to make sure it's all copied. Control C to copy. Hex editor, search for, and then Control V, put that there. Replace with. Go back to your code. And then take your second one right here, right? We're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna click replace with. Notice how there's 4 lines worth of code, and with every 2 there's a big space. These 2 we're gonna use in a minute, alright? So don't get mixed up. The first 2 are what you're gonna use right now. Okay? And then once you have this, you're gonna click replace all and give it a second to replace. Remaining time, this is all normal. If you see this, this is all normal. And then you're gonna get this error, quote unquote error. Replace this to blah blah blah. It's okay. So you click X, it doesn't matter. And then you're gonna press Control R one more time. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your search for the old one that you just replaced. You're gonna go back to your code notepad, take the first one, right? We're gonna copy all of that. Notice how it's shorter. That's something you can tell. You're gonna copy that one. You're gonna go back to your hex editor, paste that instead. You're gonna click on the replace with. You're gonna go on the second one. Then you're gonna Control C and Control V, and it's as simple as that. Replace all again. Same thing, you see. So now you have one right here and one right here. That should notify you that it's complete. You're gonna press X, and it says wish to save. Yes, you click yes, and it's gonna take a second to create backup and save. So one more second, and then it's gonna close. So we don't really need this code anymore. So now what we're gonna do is we can go into Epic Games Launcher and then launch. Oops. And now we just have to wait. So I'll see you guys when it's fully loaded in. Alright, so Fortnite has fully loaded in. You're gonna click, ooh, is Save the World free yet? Nope, okay. This is 2018, but whatever. We're gonna go to Battle Royale, obviously. As you can see, I'm still default. You're gonna click on Locker, and here we have the balloon axe. When we click on it though, it's the Scythe. And yes, this is the Scythe. Let's go into just a normal playground, and we'll show you that it works, or I'll show you that it works. Alright, so we're getting into the game. It works in game. The other people in the server can't see that you have the Scythe. They only see that you have the balloon axe, but it's fine, right? I mean, it's worth it. And I am getting a little lag because my Wi-Fi is being doo-doo right now, but that's all good. I'll just drop on in and try and, I don't know, break some stuff. In my Galaxy video, you can only use it in the lobby. So this video might be a little bit longer due to this gameplay part. So, if you want to skip this part, go ahead. It's not really the most important part. Let's see here. Let's just land. So unfortunately, you can't get the sound. I believe in version, if you go to your Epic Games Launcher and you scroll down, it says version 6.02. That's the patch notes for the quad launcher. And if you did this glitch in version 6.01, you would get the sound as well. But since it's only 02 now, they kind of patched it or whatever. So if I figure out how to get the sound, I will definitely let you know. But for now, you still have the balloon animation when, like, that little air bubble. That little air bubble right there. It makes the normal sound, but I still use it in game. Yeah. Can't really, I don't think you can be banned for this. But the only unfortunate thing is you have to do it again after every patch, just because when there's a new patch out, Epic Games kind of removes it, so you have to do it again, which sucks, but it's worth it. So let's go back to the lobby. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing else to say. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video on how to code in the Scythe. I actually use it myself. I might do emotes. Emotes are a little, well, they're easier. They're only like 2 clicks. I'm trying to figure out how to do glider and contrail if at all possible. So I'll let you guys know if that happens, but until then, peace out.